By 8 a.m., athletes gathered at the Omukama's Palace for flag-off. At 9 a.m., Tooro monarch Oyonimba Kabambaiguru Rukidi IV endorsed the start. At Sakalek, athletes were presented with 500 meters to negotiate on water. The athletes have to negotiate an engrossing roadmap that left many exhausted and pedaling on their last breath at the finish line. Deputy Prime Minister Tooro Kingdom Nakake Aboli calls sports a uniting factor.
It only handles not more than 3 people. And of course, in so doing, we are promoting unity, because don't think that we are only the Tooro who are going to. So many people. You see, with Tooro, it welcomes everyone.
It is also a way to inculcate interest among youth to appreciate culture.
We started, it is all about Ekyooto Mpango. Ekyooto Mpango is one way of mobilizing our people home and like showcasing our potential. And of course, in Ekyooto Mpango, it is going to be happening every year before the coronation.
10 participants were entered into the competition, each canoe seating 2 participants. The king, Oyonimba Kabambaiguru Rukidi IV, awarded winners in different sports, including cycling and marathon. This is the 4th day of Ekyooto Mpango Cultural and Tourism Festival, attracting mammoths of crowds.
The athletes are racing to the finish line as they throw their blades to claim their first position. This is more than just a race. It is an activity meant to bond the people of Tooro. Eve Masawi, CTV, PM Edition.